Hi students, I'm Michelle from the library. I hope you guys are doing all right. I wanted to talk to you about how the library can support the assignments you have for Hserv 50 with Gale West. Your next assignment is researching a human services organization in the community, and we created a research guide to help you with that and to help you use library resources. So I'm going to walk you through that. So this research guide has two parts. The first one is getting background information and figuring out what your keywords are. And the second one is looking for sources, finding information on your topic. So you can navigate here on the left, or you'll also see down below there's a button at the bottom of every page which takes you to the next page. So first thing, a reminder, our library resources are available online. So you can access them 24/7 using your WebAdvisor or Canvas login and password. And also, the librarians are still here, and we still want to help you get through this now more than ever. So if you get stuck, if you run into a problem, if you can't find anything, please contact us using this Ask a Librarian form. We're here, and we're waiting for your questions. So the first step, like I said, is figuring out some background information and keywords. So you want to do a little research on the agency that you are looking at, probably just looking at their website and figuring out what are the keywords that are relevant for this topic. So what issues do they address? What people do they serve? What services do they provide? So for example, for something like Monarch Services, some keywords might be domestic violence, domestic abuse, sexual assault, safe shelter, etc. So down below here, there's some places where you can get background information. You can look up different human service organizations in our county and also get background information about Santa Cruz and about some different health issues. I'm going to go down here to go to the next page. And this is the page, now that you know what you're researching, you have some of your keywords where you're actually going to start searching. So the first thing I'd like you to do is watch this video down here, which shows you how to use OneSearch. OneSearch searches the library collections. So this video reviews how to do that. You'll be using your keywords and narrowing down your results till you get a list of results that is useful for this assignment. Remember, you're going to be researching not necessarily the organization itself, but instead the issue that that organization is trying to address. So with something like Monarch Services, that issue would be domestic violence. So the topic of your research is domestic violence. So please watch the video to see how you search OneSearch, and then go ahead and do some searching yourself. And as I said, if you have any questions, please contact us. Good luck and take care.